Hi friends, so in this video I will show you how to upgrade or change your RAM in your laptop. So this is a RAM I will use to upgrade on my laptop. So first I will show you how to check your laptop configuration. So right click on the taskbar, then click on this task manager option. Now click on this performance tab, and on the left side click on CPU, and you can see this is my CPU configuration, Intel Core i5 6th generation. And if you want to see your RAM, your memory, on the left side click on memory. So right now I'm using a 4 GB of RAM, and you can see this option slot used. So I have two slots and currently I'm using only one slot, so I have the option to use two physical memories. Now on the left side click on disk, and you can see I'm using a SSD of 256 GB. And if you want to check your graphic card, your graphic driver, on the left side click on this GPU option. So I have a Intel HD graphic 520. So this is the option to check your laptop configuration. Now I will show you how to upgrade your RAM. So first turn off your laptop, shut down your laptop. Laptop is shut down. Now close it. I will open it from the back side. So I have a panel to open. So I will use a screwdriver to open this screw. That's it. Now open the back panel. So this is the back panel. This is my SSD. And this is a CMOS battery. This is my Wi-Fi card, and currently I'm using this RAM, and I have a RAM slot to use. So I will use this RAM. That's it. Fix your RAM properly. And if you want to unplug your RAM, that's it. If you want to plug it again, just press it. That's it, both the locks. That's it. Now close the back panel. Now turn it on. If you see this kind of post error, don't worry, simply press enter. Now check your laptop configuration again. Right click on the taskbar, then click on task manager. Now click on this performance tab. Now click on this memory option, and you can see the RAM has been upgraded to 8 GB, and now both the slots are in use. So this is how you can check your laptop configuration and upgrade your RAM. This is all for the video. Thank you.